High above the skies, the eagle scans the land below with razor-sharp eyes. Its target, a small, unsuspecting prey, moves through the wilderness, unaware of the danger looming above. In a sudden dive, the eagle's instincts take over. Wings tucked and speed unmatched. The precision is breathtaking, the moment fierce yet graceful. This is nature's hunter at its finest, an unparalleled combination of strength, focus, and instinct. The circle of life unfolds in the blink of an eye, reminding us of the raw power of survival in the wild.